Fabio gets a medical exam for his new job. Yes, no questions. Part 2. She asks about his health and lifestyle. The medical assistant asks. Does she ask about his health and lifestyle? Yes, she does. Does she ask about his family? His family? Does she ask about his family? No, she doesn't. She asks about his health and lifestyle. She records information in his file. Does she record information in his file? Yes, she does. Does she record information in his notebook? Does she record information in his notebook? No, she doesn't. She records information in his file. Next, the doctor reviews Fabio's file. Does the doctor review Fabio's file? Yes, she does. Does the doctor review John's file? John? No, she doesn't. She reviews Fabio's file. She takes his blood pressure. Does she take his blood pressure? Yes, she does. Does she take his temperature? Does she take his temperature? No, she doesn't. She takes his blood pressure. And measures his heart rate. Does she measure his heart rate? Yes, she does. Does she measure his height? Does she measure his height? No, she doesn't. She measures his heart rate. She examines his throat. Does she examine his throat? Yes, she does. Does she examine his eyes? Does she examine his eyes? No, she doesn't. She examines his throat and tests his reflexes. Does she test his reflexes? Yes, she does. Does she test his blood? Does she test his blood? No, she doesn't. She tests his reflexes.